Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can check the extensions permissions in the Comet AI browser in 2025. So let us dive into this. All right, guys. So as you can see, I'm in the extension center for my installed extensions here in on Comet AI. It looks pretty much like Google Chrome. That's why I confused it. So what you want to do here on Comet AI, guys, is if you want to access that center here, click into that arrow down icon in the top right and navigate to extensions and click into manage extensions here. Now guys, if I click into details for or one of these installed and running extensions, I am given access to that card here, permissions. However, guys, I can't open it. As you can see, if I click into it, there's no expanding or collapsing menu here. So unfortunately, you can't access the permissions you have given to the given extensions through that menu. However, there is a way how we can fix this. So what you want to do is make sure that the given extension is enabled. And after that, simply navigate to the toolbar in the top right corner and click into extensions. And here you see all extensions that are currently running. That's why it is important that you at least temporarily turn them on so that you may access them through that menu. You may turn them off afterwards, of course, if you like. So what you want to do is click into these three dots here, more options, and from there select view web permissions. And that is going to redirect you to that section here inside your browser account's privacy and security settings. And from here, you may simply go through the given extensions permissions and decide which permissions you would like to give the given extension. Like, for example, the usage, the location, camera, microphone, notifications, and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, that list is pretty long. It's up to you which permissions you give or not. You may always reset the permissions by clicking into this button, or simply take away all of these permissions entirely by removing the given extension, or at least by turning it off here in your extensions list. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.